Today we are making pan de queso, which is a Brazilian recipe with a cheese bread. It's super quick and very easy to make. Let me show you the ingredients we are going to use. We are going to use half a cup of milk, a quarter of a cup of oil, vegetable oil, I prefer grapeseed, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and half a cup of whatever other cheese you have in your fridge, 1 egg, half a cup of yuca flour that is acidic, and half a cup of yuca flour that is sweet. Now I'm just dumping everything in the blender and it's going to be ready. First, the half a cup of milk, the quarter of a cup of the vegetable oil, in goes in the blender, 1 egg, teaspoon of salt. Remember, Parmesan cheese is kind of salty. We are going to sap it for a while, briefly, to mix everything together. Now that the wet ingredients are mixed, we are going to add our 2 flours, the sweet and the sour. And you add the cheeses because you don't want to overblend them. Now I'm going to pour the mix in a mini muffin tin. You don't grease it and you put it more or less 3/4. My oven preheated 350 degrees. We are going to put it for around 10 minutes or until they are golden brown and they puff up. Now we are ready to take them out of the oven. Ooh, look at them.